What happened to you?
Adam decided it would be a great idea if we walked to the grocery store from our apartment complex. My scarf's frozen. In order to get pet milk so that we can make snow cream. Oh, it's cold. Ooh. Well, the snow. Well, I'm already melting. But the snow was up to like here, and then I fell. Adam rolled down a hill.
How many times did you fall?
3 times.
I think it was like 5.
It wasn't 5. It was 3. I fell once on the way there, once on the bypass. We walked across the bypass because that was safer than walking over the overpass. We kept safety in mind. Maybe we should have a disclaimer. Don't do this. Don't try this at home. No. We walked across the bypass because that was safer than walking over the overpass. And it was. And I fell like 3 times. And we ate at Wendy's. But see, the problem was we got there after walking, and they were like, "Oh, we're closed on the inside, but you can go through the drive-thru." We didn't have a car, so we go over to the drive-thru and we can't trigger it because it's got snow everywhere, and we can't figure out where the thing is that you put pressure on to activate it, and it's not activating. So they tell us we can go through the drive-thru, but they won't answer us at the drive-thru because they don't know that we're there. So eventually one of the workers comes back out and is like, "You guys can come on in. You can eat inside." They felt bad for us. So kudos to Wendy's. I'm like seriously going to write a letter or an email to their corporate offices telling them that the Wendy's in Jonesboro on Parker Road
By Country Mart.
By Country Mart is so awesome because they let us, after we walked almost a mile in the snow, eat inside when they were closed. That is amazing. And then we came back home and we got ice. I'm probably melting the ice, but part of the journey was to get ice. They gave us ice because we ran out of ice in a snowstorm. Even though last night in that aquarium video, Adam said he was going to get ice. He didn't get ice. What do you have to say for yourself, mister?
Maybe I did and I just forgot it in your car and it's just melted all over the floorboard.
Good point. So, that's the adventure that warranted its own YouTube video.
And while we were gone, this is what the dogs were doing. We are having adventures in the snow, and they are sleeping on our couch. That noise was Sheriff falling off the couch and startlement that we're home. Would you like to sign off of YouTube? On our trip, Catherine forgot to check and see if we had soda, so now we are having to go back again to the other direction about 3/4 of a mile on a walk to make sure, or to pick up some soda for the night. Yeah.
Okay, so we just got back from our second trek through the snow in order to get soda, because I believe Adam already informed you. Adam already informed you. I haven't watched it yet. I believe Adam already informed you that we forgot soda.
You forgot it.
We didn't.
Shit about the burglary.
Neither of us checked for soda. It's both of our faults. How about that? Whatever. Vex, here. Vex is playing with the tennis ball, playing fetch with the tennis ball in the house. Oh, if you're wondering why I'm always wearing that blue hat, it's because I have a really bad hairdo right now. As you can see, I'm in my pajamas right now. As you can see, because I got my hair cut real short several months ago. And the short haircut worked. The short haircut worked, but then it grew out and it didn't work so well. So I've got...
Why are you growing it out?
I'm growing it out so that at our wedding I have longer hair that can be styled into different ways. Because I don't know how you style really short hair for a wedding. Oh, Bex lost her tennis ball.
You can do it, but I think you have to wear a tux with it.
So, I'm growing my hair out, which I'm going to get it restyled so that I can like wear not a hat all the time. But yeah, this is my hair. I don't know, it may not look as bad as I assume it looks. I don't know, but I just wear a hat all the time. But yes, so that's enough. I'm exhausted. I'm trekking through the snow. It is exactly 7:30 and I am exhausted from walking through the snow since 5. So, good night, YouTube.